Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Now, every single time I'm in the grill, I get so excited to actually go to this very special street food spot. I've been there maybe 2 times on video, and I'll definitely go there one more time again, because I think they have some really good roti, some really good conch. If you've been watching my videos, you know exactly where I'm talking about. But I'm gonna take Jillian here this time so we can try this food. Curfew is somewhere around 8 p.m. and it's like 6:45, so I'm gonna try to rush down there really quick so we can get some of this decent food. Remember, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, let me know what you're thinking. I definitely appreciate it. Let's get it. Alright, so we got to the spot and we're hungry. So we go see what Jilly think about the food. I think this food is really good. What I think about the vibe with just the... It's not good. Yeah, it's not good. So we have 2 more servings of roti to get, cause this ain't gonna be enough. We love them roti down and something. But anyway, I gotta try the food. I gotta tell me what you think. There's no doubt, bro. There's no doubt. It's perfect. Roti's nice. Actually, I went for more roti. How was the roti? Really good? Who is here again? Chip? What you say? West side? Best side? Yeah. But you need to rap on the internet down here still. Internet now go on with that thing, bro. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So this morning we're actually going sunset. Oh my gosh, we are actually going sunrise chasing. The sunrises, the suns, especially the sunsets in Negril are just amazing. So we got up at like 5 o'clock. We're about to kayak across to the island so we can chill there for a little bit and see where the day takes us. How are you feeling, Julie?
Excited.
You're excited?
Yeah, man.
You're not excited if you don't say so excited.
I'm so excited.
All right, cool. Now I believe what you're saying, man. All right, so we're just gonna walk down to the kayaks real quick. It's nothing like one of my kayaks, to be honest, but we'll make it work and get to where we're going. All right, guys. So we just got to the kayaks. And we got the green one, all right, and the orange one. What color are you choosing?
Green.
Green? All right, I'll take orange. No problem. I'm in the losing party. Did you get that one?
Can't always win.
Did you get that one?
Huh?
Did you get it?
Of course.
What?
You're in a losing party.
All right, guys. So we are by the water. I didn't have my chest mount or anything like that, so I'll film this as much as I can, but I'll take you guys out again when I get to the water. And I hear somebody with a drone above. It's like a sign. God. Why me? All right, this is not the best setup, but we have something. All right. Thank you. And let's just set yourself. I'll push you out. Go. Huh? Yeah, but you're going in backwards. Yeah. Come on, you got a paddle. Funny thing is, my kayak is definitely a lot heavier than this one, so this is so easy. It's so easy to paddle. I'm saying for me, this is really easy to paddle. Huh? Oh, I can see that drone. It's like our old series, Phantom 4 series maybe. Remember guys, if we haven't gotten our goal for the drone, the link should be in the description box. Maybe we've gotten to the goal, I don't know. This video is gonna get to you a little bit late. But yeah. My person in the drone's probably scoping out the island to see what it looks like. which is smart. That's what I initially wanted to do, so I could catch the layout and be like, okay, should I be going over here or not? But you can definitely see somewhere you can go without using a drone anyway. Whew. All right, land ho. Woo. How was it? Seems like today I was the winning team. So we've gotten here, and we can see if we can catch a sunset. A sunrise. Why do I keep messing it up? Anyway, so the sun rose over there last time, so I'm thinking set. I'm done with this, bro. So where did you see the sunrise the other morning?
What was that one?
Oh, might not be as spectacular as we wanted it to, but it will be something. Anyway, nice to the beach area. And thing. Alright, so we're just waiting on the sun to rise. Should be somewhere over there where you see that orange looking part, but hopefully spectacular. But either way, it's a great morning, man. How you feel, Jill?
So beautiful and peaceful.
You
I'm
really?
happy you're able to wake up.
Me?
Yeah.
I woke up before you. 5 a.m. Who woke you up?
The alarm.
Huh?
The alarm.
Yeah, but who woke you up?
It's beautiful. Oh. All is well with the world.
So we're still waiting on the sun to rise. So I'm not to swing while we wait, man. But it's still not up yet. Alright, so I guess I never caught the sunrise or whatever, but I guess someone else is experiencing it somewhere else, so good for them. But yeah, we did catch a really good sunset, so I'm happy for that. So maybe we might swim or whatever, just chill out here for a little bit, and then we can just start the day, because we have something really important to do today for the channel. You know, you guys already know, like, I'm always going out there trying to improve the experiences for you guys, or to possibly even take you guys on experiences in the future, and that's why I'm also going to be doing that today. Shout out to everybody that shows some support some ways, because even when I'm trying to do like the bigger things like today, trying to make a really big investment for the channel, you know, that's why I asked for your help with the whole drone thing and whatever. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what I'm talking about. For those who follow the videos really hard, you will see what I'm talking about, and you'll understand the whole process of all of these things. I'm gonna be taking you guys on trips, don't worry about it, it will happen. The water, as far as I'm concerned, has always been, it's just so warm. It's really nice, warm water. It's ridiculous. It's really nice. Alright, so we've caught as much of the sunrise as we can, so now we're gonna jump into this water, and like I said, the water is super warm, yo. How is it? It's warm? So nice. Got it. Yo, you are so quirky. Oh my god. You okay? You sure? Oh, I'm coming. Ooh. Yeah, this part of the water is really rocky. You look happy.
Yeah.
You are?
I'm very happy.
Guys, do you know how much this costs? This is free.
Man, that's the urchin. Whoa!
Whoa.
Jesus. Now watch for them now.
Good thing. Yeah.
You know what I have to do? I have to pee. I'm being serious,
I know.
guys. Yeah, I'd have to pee and I cough and I think like resting foot in the pee.
There's no coffee, just have to pee on my leg straight, like, just to be honest. Anyway,
That one is a big one.
huh?
A big one.
That's a really big one. I mean, as bad as sea urchins are, they serve a purpose. I think they help to filter the water, if I'm not lying. So that's why parrotfish are very important. Because what the bigger parrotfish have really strong jaws, so they can actually break it open. They bust it open and they eat the urchin that's inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that's why if you get rid of the parrotfish, if you can eat them out, then you're gonna have a lot of these. Not saying that these are bad, but you get the deal. Yeah. You know what? Let's just move from this vicinity because he's a bad mother. Shut your mouth. My God. Yo, I was like, what's that blue thing floating away? Cracks. You know what? Because I don't plan to be stuck out here. Stuck on an island. Right? It would be a hard swim though. It's pretty nice. Wanna go have breakfast by Charella?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
I'm hungry.
You hungry? Yeah. Vibes. Alright. You ready?
I am.
You are?
Ready.
Like Freddy.
Turn it this way, right?
For those who are gonna ask where we are, we were at BOOBY CAY. This is an area where they do a lot of lobster cook-ups. You guys might notice it over there. Another time I'll do a video for you guys to show you that, but it's not the lobster season, so we can't do that. Yeah, so we're about to head out now. So I choose a losing party.
Oh, Mr. That said I don't have my
It don't matter which one, no.
No,
Well, I'll chew this.
Thanks.
Alright, let's get you out to sea. So a good thing I moved this up, right?
Yeah.
Because this is the back. That's the front. Hmm? Yeah. I'm a lot faster than you, so. Huh?
I'm afraid I don't want to be too far than you.
Okay.
I'll wait.
Yeah. Okay. Huh?
I'm the weirdest swimmer ever. I behave like a can't swim. I know. There's something about the ocean that's so unpredictable.
It really is.
It's kind of, I'm going to tell you a secret. I'm not afraid of a lot of things.
Yeah.
But the ocean,
You are?
it's my favorite.
I'm afraid of it too, but I think.
I'm trying my best to get over it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're trying to.
I'm glad that you do these things still, because like it shows people like just overcome the fear. I'm afraid of it too, like, but I find like I find that if you're afraid, you get stuck and you just don't do nothing. So it just might make sense you just do.
So uncomfortable, like, you just never know where you're going.
Oh God, the sun is out, and we've been burnt. If you look back on Jillian, the very first video, getting patties, she was a whole different complexion. But since she's been rolling with me, it's different. You got it? Huh?
Something so like it grow.
Like it grew? You're in the wrong spot. You probably heard that they're cheering, yay, my butt grew. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next side.
Oh, good morning.
It really was.
But like from 5 o'clock, they don't realize how many hours in a day and you have to get up early.
Cheers. Alright guys, so we are back at, well, I'm back at Charella Inn and Jilly is here, so you don't know. Yo, anytime you find anywhere that is cool with good food, you definitely go back. And it's one of those places when I pass Negril for breakfast, lunch or dinner, depending on what I'm feeling for, I'll definitely stop here and the food is really good. So I got the typical Jamaican breakfast because you don't know, that's just me. And Jilly got the American cheese omelet breakfast and stuff. So we're gonna have that really quick. And it was really cool seeing some persons that you did, you know, remember from the last video and stuff. And the customer service here is always great. So we're just gonna have some coffee really quick and just enjoy the nice ambiance, waves crashing and stuff like that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, breakfast is here. A little bit different, bami in the morning, but I've never tried bami in Aki. Maybe I have, but I'm interested to see what it tastes like, but I'm sure it's good. Fried dumpling, this looks like some sweet potatoes, callaloo, broccoli, tomatoes. Broccoli isn't Jamaican, that's for sure. We got some bread and we got some cornbread over there. And Jilly went American with her omelet. It looks like a really soft omelet though, I'm not gonna lie. And some bacon. Yeah, that's breakfast. You ready? Alright. Alright guys, so we're on the Norman Manley Boulevard, Negril Strip, and we're gonna try to do some street food like what we did the other night anyway. So we're gonna try to do some street food, maybe get some jerk chicken or whatever the case is. Vibes.
Jerk sauce,
Spicy jerk sauce. Vibes. I say pork there?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Alright, so that's the chicken, and we got some pork lessons. Alright.
Hungry, see?
Yeah, I'm hungry too. Super hungry.
I got extra. Eh? No, sir. Not that far.
Today's dinner is like we're super hungry because we were on the road dealing with some business and stuff today. Finally got done with it. We are just happy to eat basically.
Hungry or kill we.
Hungry or kill we. Vibes. How's the spice on it?
It's not too spicy, but it's spicy, you know.
Big one for chicken.
So chicken foot soup, haven't had it in a long time. Yeah, I'll take a $200 one. If you guys know Jamaica chicken foot soup on a Saturday, yeah man, vibes. Bear in mind, it's getting close to curfew time, so you might not see a bag of food because I don't know if things set already. Can't have too much things out right now. See how the soup look? Mad thing. Drop in the comments if you like drinks chicken foot soup. I know for some persons them afraid of it, but for me I grew up on that. Every Saturday there was soup generally. Soupy Saturdays. Hey Jill, you didn't love soup on Saturday when you were little? I hated it when I was the worst thing ever. Saturday soup, me hate that. I since we turn big man now, you see me go buy soup.
Yeah.
You see me?
One thing I like about being an adult.
Yeah, they have a cook soup on Saturday. Cook what you want. Vibe.
Yeah.
Alright, bless up, you know.
So,
I rate how you know, a chef jacket and them thing and a cap and everything. I say thing for up. Vibes.
good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, almost tall as me. Good boy.
Look at how big.
You know, man. You know, boy. Next time I go to see him go to bigger. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I told him I can't say no to make him get to the spot.
Yeah, because he ain't hip.
Yeah. I don't know for him. So you see this bill? Because the bottom right, that is from Aquasat. He say like